Hello and welcome. My name's Kathy A, and I have received my lucky bag from Beautylish, and I'm all excited because as most of you know who follow me, I had probably one of the toughest years, if not the toughest year of my life last year, between separation, moving twice, being unemployed for a good part of the year, and just a lot of struggles and strifes and self-realization. Anyway, I got a good job. I am actually moving next week, and I have to an apartment that I really like, and things are like looking up right now. And so one of the things I thought I would do to celebrate was I would buy a lucky bag from Beautylish. Now, as you know, every single year Beautylish empties their shelves of their stock, and this is to bring fresh stock in for the new year. So what they do is they pack all kinds of thousands of boxes with a various amount of different products, all of them equaling a large amount of money, and they charge $75 for the smaller box and $150 for the larger box. I of course got the $75 thing, and this was my big splurge on myself. This was my gift to me. This was like, I've had a terrible year, let's start off 2021 on a good note. So I did order a Beautylish bag. It's a bag, and I just thought I'd open it live with you. I did undo the outer box, but I have not seen it. It's driving me nuts because it arrived yesterday, and I was just kept looking at it like, what's in there, you know? So I thought I would do a live unboxing for you. And so Beautylish has this thing they do every single year, and this is the box. When you open it up, this is what you see. It's really pretty paper here. Lucky bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese character of this year's lucky bag, which means dawn or daybreak, symbolizes new beginnings after a challenging year. We hope the surprises inside help you welcome 2021 with hope and light. So that's a really nice sentiment there. So, before I begin, I do want to show you this necklace and earrings that I received from Josephine Rodriguez. She does this. She said she's been beading since she retired like 9 years ago. And when I first separated from my husband in February and announced it on my channel, she sent me this beautiful necklace and earring set. And I was living with, I had moved into a shared house with an elderly woman. And I stayed there only 10 days because I didn't vet the woman correctly, and she scared me to death. She was very, very, I don't know, something wasn't right with her. And she was in my stuff. I came home from work, she's in my room looking through my boxes, and I just didn't feel safe there. So I moved after 10 days and moved into another apartment. And of course I had to come up with a new security, a new rent, and you know, it started kind of a really bad pattern of problems in my life last year, but things are better now. But anyway, Josephine sent this to me to cheer me up, and then during the move out with this horrible woman, I thought she had taken this set and I couldn't find it anywhere. And I think what she might have done is when she saw it, she put it down and then piled all the other stuff on top of it because it wasn't where I left it, and I thought she had taken it. She didn't take it, she just moved it. So I'm really glad I found it because I'm packing now for my new move next week. I'm moving to a new place. I found it and it's just beautiful. I don't know if you can see it, but this just intricate work, and the earrings match absolutely beautiful. And thank you, Josephine Rodriguez, for your thoughtful gift. And I'm just so happy I found it. You know, now I can wear it and enjoy it. So, okay, back to the lucky bag. All right, so I'm just going to take out the black paper, which I can use in my move, I think. There we go. And here are the items. Usually there's an assortment of 5 or 6 items, sometimes more. Sometimes people get what they call a super box, and you get, or a super bag, and you get like a lot more just randomly. They'll do that, they'll put more things in somebody's box than other people's boxes. So as you can see, I have not opened this yet. I'm going to open it live in front of you and just take out things one by one. I don't want to see what's underneath, I just want to take things out one at a time so we can enjoy them together. Beautylish is a brand, it's a distributor of luxury brands and brands that are high-end. So you know that when you get something from Beautylish, it's probably going to be from a very nice line. There's usually a nice variety of stuff. The only thing I don't like to get is skincare. I'm not a big fan of getting skincare. I have my own system for skincare. I have some people who send me PR skincare and I can try that. I have too many skincare items to be interested in having it in my, I'd rather have makeup in my lucky bag, so, and brushes too. But let's see what we have, and I'm gonna just start on the top here. We're gonna have the top and work down. And this is a Natasha Denona palette. Oh my God, okay. This is the Love palette from Natasha Denona. That's a really good start. It's a really good start. I'm a happy girl. Okay. All right. This is a nice kind of plastic tin thing. Oh my goodness. You know, I've always griped about the price points of Natasha Denona palettes, so I haven't really. I bought one and I returned it to Sephora. Oh my goodness. Isn't this beautiful? And what's nice is she has the holes on the bottom, so if you want to replace a color with a different color, you can pop it out. Like if you hit pan on a color and you want to get, you know, another one in there to replace it. It's absolutely beautiful. And with, you know, Valentine's Day and February coming up, I think that's a really beautiful palette. That is good news. I mean, I'm happy with this. I can take this and move on. I mean, everything else can suck and this will be okay. So Natasha Denona's a Love palette, and the editing me, the future me, will put the price points of all of these items down so you can see what the value of my particular box was. The next thing is the ice roller for your overworked sensitive skin. Okay, well, that falls into that skincare thing. Plus an ice roller, it's like you can pick that up at Walmart, you know what I mean? Okay. So the ice roller, this is something that you stick in the freezer, and what they suggest you do is to put serum on your face, and then when you pull this out of the freezer, you kind of roll it around and it adds a special treatment to your skin. Meh, meh, meh. This is not in my wheelhouse at all, okay? You know, maybe I'm thumbing my nose up, you know, without really trying it first, but I will try it, but okay. So the next item is a brush, and I do like this. This is a Kumana Food. Oh man, I'm really massacring that. This is a beautiful brush. You can see it's just a little bit, it's like you can line with it. You can do your corners and detailing. You can do the corner in here. You could use it for concealer. I think it's beautiful. I'm really pleased with the brush. That's nice. I do like that. So like underneath the eyes, you can just keep it on its side. It's nice stiff bristles. Hopefully they didn't kill anything for it. It's a beautiful brush. So I'm happy. It's an eye brush. I think that's great. I will get a lot of use out of this. Okay, the next item is Becca. Oh my goodness. I think it's one of those little mini highlights from Becca. Yep. I love these little, I think they call them macaron shaped. I think they look like little spaceships, you know. Okay, all right. Oh, wow. Oh, hello, 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 hello. Yes, this is the flavor of Moonstone, which is one of my favorite Becca blush shades, and I don't have any Becca blushes right now because I got rid of most of my makeup back in February. So I'm really pleased. This is great. This is a wonderful highlight. You can see it adds just a little bit of dazzle. Moonstone is a beautiful color, and I love Becca highlighters, so that's a great deal. So we've got 3 winners now. We have a good brush, we have a nice eye palette, and we have a highlighter. So happy girl here. Whoop. And we have a Wayne Goss lipstick. Please, gosh, don't let it be the dark color shade. As you know, I kind of threw a little shade at these when I reviewed them because I found a dupe in the LA Colors line when I was in Family Dollar, and it was an exact dupe for one of these. Okay. Oh, how pretty. It is really nice autumn shade. Let me just, oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful for autumn, August, autumn. I think is a great time for this. Let me see the shade color. And that is Camilla. Camilla. So a Wayne Goss lipstick. I think I got a good box so far here. My goodness. So yes, the quality is good. I think the pricing was a little high on those. I did throw some shade. I do like Wayne Goss. I do. And I don't throw shade at a product because of the person behind it, although the Jeffree Star thing was an exception. But generally, I really like to promote artists and stuff. And I bought the Mario, I bought Manny's stuff, I bought, you know, James Charles, and I bought, you know, a few other people to try to help them out. And, you know, some of their products I like, some I didn't like. I didn't really care for the lipsticks from Wayne Goss. I thought all the colors looked very similar to each other, and I found a dupe for one of the shades in the LA Colors line, and so I kind of like was preening over that, but it's kind of a mean thing to do, I think, but I did find a dupe for the color. So I do like this. I don't have this color in any other type of brands, and so I don't want to be like the spoiled brat kid going, you know, because this is nice and it's a good quality lipstick. So this is a really good box so far. Okay. Oh, I think this is the last item, and this is skincare. Good Molecules Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patches. Okay, all right, I can do this. Caffeine eye patches are they're notoriously wonderful for helping you with puffiness, especially in the morning. Puffiness and dark circles, you can get, you know, that the caffeine helps reduce that puffiness and helps stimulate, you know, the juices that are up here to move around like they're supposed to. So yeah, I guess if I have to get skincare, this is probably something I can handle and enjoy. So Good Molecules, I do have something else from them that I actually purchased. So I do like the brand. It's kind of their store brand, if you will. It's a discounted price for Beautylish. So this is the caffeine infused eye pads. So I will try these, and I will do before and afters to let you know, but I really don't normally have a problem with eye bags. I'm filming this at 6 o'clock in the morning, so that's a slightly different story today. And I did want to show you what my real hair looks like, because you never see it. You usually see me wearing wigs or a hat or something. So yeah, this is Caffeine Energizing Hydrogel Eye Patch. So I think I got a really good box this year. I think the only in was this ice roller, and this isn't really a bad thing. I mean, it's kind of you know, come summertime, I'm gonna probably really enjoy this. But remember, it's in the freezer. So I'll put it in the freezer. I'll put a serum on, and I'll try it to see if it cold presses the serum into my skin or whatever it's supposed to do when you do that. So I will try that. So to recap, we have the Good Molecules caffeine hydrogel eye patches. We have the ice roller, which helps rejuvenate your skin with cold therapy. We have a Wayne Goss lipstick in Camilla. We have Becca highlighter in Moonstone, which is my favorite shade. And I also like the vanilla one too. We have a beautiful Japanese eye brush, which is absolutely perfect, and it's Kuva Fuda or something like that. Please, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Well, you'll know what it is if you're on the site, and it's just a beautiful brush. I'm very happy with that. And the star player here is the Natasha Denona Love Palette. OMG. OMG. Gee. So, I am always looking forward to seeing other people's videos on what they got in their boxes. I think I got a pretty good deal. It was 75 bucks plus shipping and stuff. It came to like 90 bucks here for Connecticut. And it took like a month to get here from when they offered this. So I'm pretty happy, and I hope you enjoyed watching my little live review. I actually am going to dip into this right away, and the lipstick is, to me, it's more of an August, September-ish, October-ish shade, so I'm probably not going to dip into that. But I will be enjoying the brush, the highlighter, the eye palette, and I will try those eye patches, and I will be using that brush. So I think, you know, 6 items, I love 5 of them. So I don't think that's ever happened, you know, since I've been getting these. I've been getting these things every year now for 4 or 5 years. So this is the first time I'm really impressed, surprised, happy, and it's a really good start to 2021. So I hope you out there are having a positive beginning to your new year as well. And keep the faith. Things are looking up, and I will see you shortly with my best of hair care, skin care, and lifestyle products for 2020. I mean, it'll come out at some point. I'm so sorry. I'm moving, okay? And you know how that is. I'm packing everything, you know, so I'm moving next weekend. So a week from today, I'm going to be in a new location. So I will be trying to film while I do that, because I did take a week off from my brand new job. God bless them. They gave me 3 weeks vacation. So I'm using one of the weeks next week so I can move and unpack and get things set up. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a wonderful week and have a beautiful day. Take care. Toodles.